Hi everyone, I am Venkat Reddy. Welcome to my channel Venkat Reddy Excellent. In this video, I am going to share few of the must known tricks while removing duplicates in Excel. I have listed 5 types of methods to remove duplicates in Excel. The first one is data remove duplicates. It's through menu options. Second one is using concatenate and countif. Third one is advanced filter. Fourth one is conditional formatting. And fifth one is using pivot tables. Now let us see each method one by one. But before that, we should be very cautious while working on numerics in removing duplicates. I will explain that in the later part of this video. Please continue watching this video. This is our sample data. I have taken few duplicates and some unique records. By using this sample data, I will explain this all 5 methods one by one how to remove duplicates or how to show the duplicate values. The first method, using data remove duplicates option. In this method, I have to select the data, go to ribbon data option and remove duplicates. This can be invoked by using Alt A and M. It's a keyboard sequence. If you select all the columns, in the combinedly it will search for the unique records, and if any duplicate records, that will be removed in this method. Let us see. I'm just putting OK. Here some 8 records are showing unique records. Remaining have been deleted. I'm just highlighting these 2 columns so that when you are watching this Excel file, you will know that I have been removed duplicate by using these 2 fields. I'm just putting some green color. In the second method, using concatenate and countifs, here what I am doing is I am just concatenating all the fields, or otherwise on which column we want to remove the duplicates. Here in this method, in this example, I am showing all the columns in concatenation. Then I am just putting a countif formula based on this concatenated field. I'll just retype it for you. Countif or countifs, both you can use here. While selecting the range, have to select this range A7 27 to 28 like this, or you can use 28 to 28 also. You can type it like this. So in the first cell should be freeze here, so that while dragging down, this 28 should be remain same, comma. I can select this. By using this method, every first occurrence it will show as a 1, all subsequent will show as 2 or 3 like this. Now filter all the ones so that you will get all unique records. This you can copy and paste somewhere else. Or if you want to remove duplicates, except one, all other things you can select and remove them by this method. Or if you want to highlight all the unique records including ones, then what you have to do is you have to use countifs or countif, select all the range, freezing it, and again select this row concatenated field. Then if you put, by filtering this data, it will highlight all the unique records including the ones, the first occurrence also will be highlighted here. The third method is using advanced filter. Just removing the filter here. To use advanced filter, there is the option called go to data, advanced, you have to select this one. Here you should provide the range, and here use this copy to another location so that all unique records will go to some other location, and select this button, unique records only. Copy to, you have to find the place where you want to save it. Here I'm just selecting this place and just press OK. So in this method, it will copy all the unique records to somewhere else. So by using this advanced filter, you can remove duplicates and copy just unique records. And in the fourth method, using conditional formatting, in this method, you can only highlight the unique records. You can only highlight the duplicate records. While removing the duplicate records, you have to remove all the occurrences you have to remove. However, in conditional formatting, you should be careful that it doesn't only check only on the particular column. It will search for the duplicate records in entire range. For that, what we are doing is, I am just using this concatenation, and I am just applying the conditional formatting just based on this concatenated field, so that we can identify what are all the duplicate records available in the particular list. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, and here duplicate values is there, just select that. Here if you want any different colors, you can highlight that with different colors. Whether you want to highlight duplicates or unique records, you can select both. You can choose any one of them. If you select duplicate, all duplicate records will be highlighted in different color. Or if you put unique, all unique records alone will be highlighted in a different color. Now I am selecting duplicate. I am just pressing OK. So by this method, we can identify what are all the duplicate records available in the particular list. The methods we have discussed till now will work on the smaller data set very good. However, if the data set is very large, in this case, if you use these methods, the system may hang. For that, what I am suggesting is, you can use pivot table. By using pivot table, you can remove duplicates in quickly and a very efficient manner. Let us see how to do it. Just create a pivot table based on this data. Insert pivot table. Here I am just selecting the location within the sheet itself, and just press OK. Here we get the pivot table. By dragging these columns, these fields here, the row labels, you can get all the unique records. Whatever is the column you have inserted in the row labels, that itself will give all unique records. If you want multiple columns, just drag all those columns for which you require the unique records. By default, it will show in this in one column all the records. I'm just changing the report layout to outline form, and I'm removing the subtotals. I'm leaving the tabular format, and drag all the fields whichever we require to remove the duplicates. When you use pivot table, it will use the method very quickly, and you can get the output in a very efficient manner. Let me copy this pivot table another time, and I can choose only customer ID and customer name. I'll remove all other things. so that I will get all unique customers. It's only four unique customers are there. Now let us see, when we work on the numerics, what are all the precautions we should take. Here I have taken a sample number database. If you see, all places have put only single number, but have intentionally put a different formatting for different cells. Here 1250 in the with 2 decimals with comma, with 2 decimals without comma, 3 decimals, 4 decimals, and with here like this we have put different formats for the same number. On that, if we apply these techniques whatever we have discussed now, let us see for each technique what will happen. The first one, remove duplicates by data remove duplicates, and OK. Here if you observe, even though within the cell same number is there, it is showing them as unique records, since we have put the different format for these numbers. It is an important thing we should remember while removing duplicates. Otherwise, unnecessarily it won't remove some of the duplicate numbers. For that, what we have to do is, if you have any numerics, ensure that the particular field has same formatting. Now let us check the second option, concatenated and countif. Since we have only one column, there is no need to concatenate, and just apply the countif formula. Here it is showing all as 10, so it is considering all of them as unique records. So in the countif method we can remove the duplicates. And third one, advanced filters. For advanced filter also, select the data, copy to another location, take unique records. I'm just selecting the location here, just OK. In this method also it is showing, it's treating all of them as unique records. And another method, conditional formatting. Let us see in conditional formatting what it will show. Conditional formatting, highlight rules, duplicate values. For that I have to select the data first. Sorry. Duplicate values. Let us see, it's already highlighting all the duplicate records. So in this method also there is no issue for numerics. And in the final one, pivot table, I am sure that it will show all of them as unique records. I'm just putting here for pivot table. I'm just dragging this number here. So it's showing only one time. So in this method also the numerics has no issues. Only in the data remove duplicates, in this method only we have to ensure that all numeric fields are in the similar format. This demo file will be available to you in the description page. I have copied the link in the description. I request your feedback or suggestions in the comment section, or you can send me a direct message. My mail ID has been given in the description. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it immediately. And also don't forget to click on the bell button so that you will get all my future video notifications. Thank you for watching this video.